Hi guys, just want to show you a tricks how I do my rear differential oil change. So basically what you have to do is unscrew that bolt that goes into the drain. You drain your oil into some recipient and then I'm gonna go fill it up by this side. I'm gonna just put it right there. So like you can see, the hole is right there, and this is what I'm using. So a little bit of hose with a funnel with a long end and small that fit into that hose, and I root there right like that, and I can fill up my differential that way. And as soon I see oil coming out from the oil, the overfill, that mean yeah, it's filled up. So stop putting back oil into it, and just screw back your drain plug and overfill plug, and you're done for another 30,000 kilometers. So hope it helped you guys. So feel free to comment and like my video. Have a good day. Bye.